Hey guys, how's it going? Today, we are going to do a little unboxing, a box haul, which this is the new phone. The one that I have been playing on. It's okay. It has been getting a little more warm when playing the game. It's the back of it has begun to um, kind of bow out, and the case don't even sit flat anymore on it. And I was reading, and it's something about the battery is expanding when it overheats and everything. So when that happens, you don't really want to be using the phone. It's best to stop using it altogether, get rid of it, get rid of the battery. We ended up getting a new phone here, which this is the first phone that it is a LG V40, which I heard someone else say that this was a little better phone to be playing like COD Mobile. Try this out. This is the first LG phone that I have had. All the phones that I have had has been Samsung phones. So we'll see, kind of do a compare and see, and I might make an update video later on after I have been using this one for a while and see what the difference is. Anyways, let's get into this here, which this is just a regular plain old box, which I think it is, I don't know if it's new or used. I don't know, but it was a little expensive, but it was not as expensive as new phones. But we open this up here. Basically, there is the phone, and what you get, that is a very large adapter for that chart power supply there. And then the cord, which this is a USB-C cable, so it is USB-C. I was looking at it, yeah, right there. So it gives the IMEI number right there on the back. Interesting. It's a V40 ThinQ is what it is. Supposedly, the person said it was a pretty good phone for gaming on. So we'll see. I do have a case coming. This actually came pretty early. Got it off of Amazon. It's always good when things arrive early than late. But yeah, I do have a case coming, so I definitely will be putting this in a case. It might have a screen protector already on it. Cool. Okay. Which I don't know about. Screen protectors can be a little finicky when playing games. We'll see how it works. Pretty cool. It might be slightly bigger than the S8, which is what currently I have been using. So it's slightly bigger. Little cameras in the back there. I think the middle is the fingerprint reader, I believe, is what that is. Or maybe that's the power. I don't know, because I haven't had an LG phone. It might be the power button in the back, which will get some getting used to. We have, or maybe this might be the power on the side of that. We have the volume keys. Yeah, pretty cool. And you do have the speaker on there, the USB charge port, and a headphone jack, which I know a lot of phones don't have a headphone jack. They all go off of Bluetooth connection in that, which is nice, but there's nothing will beat a hardwired connection. That's always going to be good sound, having a hardwire connection. But yeah, that looks pretty cool. I will just have to try it out, charge it up, see how it works and everything. We might do our first game, do a live stream of using the new phone. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of the LG V40 ThinQ. Stay tuned for more videos. Who knows what unboxing videos that we come up with? Maybe tech, maybe something else. I don't know. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a good summer and getting outside, riding your bikes if you have them, walking, enjoying warm, nice weather where you are. It might be winter for some of you. I don't know. Thanks for watching, and we will see you all next time. Stay safe, wash your hands. Bye.